Hello everyone, welcome to the 17th lecture of this playlist. Today we are going to learn about the duplicates file handling in STATA. If you watched the previous video, you can understand how we handle the missing values. Like missing values, duplicates are a real problem in STATA. In our datasets, sometimes we have duplicates, which makes the analysis more complicated. So we have to deal with the duplicates. The codes are not so difficult. It's easier than the previous class, like missing value handling. So like every day we are going to change the working directory. Our common file is stata logs. Here I kept all the variables here. So let's import our medical data. Our easy code is use medical.dta. So you can see here my dataset is imported. Now we are going to see how many duplicates in these datasets. Now the simple code is duplicates. Make sure you put an S in the end because majority of the people do not use S and they got an error. So make sure you do this right, duplicates. Then we write report. You see there is no duplicates. Here surplus is 0. It's because our dataset had no duplicates, as you can see here. But to understand this lecture, we have to create some duplicates artificially. Let's create. Let's say I will copy this. Here I am pasting. So these are going to be duplicates, right? They are the same observations, like here 4 to 9. So run again the code. You see there are duplicates now. First, the value 1 means how many times the observations are. Here you can see 14, a total of 14 observations are here first time or one time, but 12 observations have 2 times. That means 12 divided by 2 equal to 6 duplicates here. That is our surplus. Now the question is, how do we handle the duplicates, right? So we simply drop duplicates drop. You can pick any value, but ideal variable will be the variable which is our primary key. Primary key means which have unique observations. Okay, so duplicates drop id followed by a comma, and then we will type force. Run this. You see 6 observations deleted. Now go back to the dataset, browse. Now we are back to the previous position. There is no duplicates. So this is how you handle the duplicates. So let's see another example with another dataset. Let's clear it first. I have another dataset called mail.dta. If I use this, use mail.dta, you see I have 9 variables with 7,487 observations. If I go to browse, you see these are my data. So you see case ID here is far complicated. So let's see we can have any duplicates here. So what is the code? Duplicates report. You see 1, that means we have 7,469 unique observations, but other 18 observations are duplicate. That means total 9 duplicates. So like before, we can simply drop these duplicates. The command will be duplicates, then we can use a unique ID, case ID, followed by a comma, and then force. Sorry, the code went wrong because I didn't wrote drop. So drop duplicates, drop case ID, comma, force. You see 9 observations are deleted. Now go to the browse. You can see here because there are numerous numerous observations here. As you can see, 7,478 observations. So browsing is not feasible here. That's why code is important, because our medical data is small, so we can check by viewing the dataset by going to browse. But in this case you cannot do that because the dataset is huge. We have to see any observations or any variables of our interest by simply writing a stata command. Otherwise no way you can identify any missing value or any duplicates. So this is the end of this class. I hope you enjoyed it all, and see you in next video. Till then, thank you.